Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it and make sure that you're on the photo mode. So since it is highlighted in this yellowish color or orangish color even, then you can be sure that you're on the photo mode. So now we can unroll the options, or as you can see we've got the timer here, so we can change it just by tapping on this icon, which was the crossed out clock icon, and after one tap we can set 3 seconds delay, again 10 seconds delay, and again we can turn off the timer. If you don't want to tap on this tiny icon, you can simply unroll, or let's say unroll this additional options, and on the second position we've got the timer, so here you can also change it. So let me set, for example, 10 seconds. As you can see, again it is highlighted, so it means that it has been set. What's more, you can check it right here. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or from 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And it just took a photo, so that was quite easy. And of course, as I said, you can also set 3 seconds delay or just turn it off by picking this crossed out icon, and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.